Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe. Unplug the extension cord and verify no voltage with a tester. Once confirmed, remove screws and carefully open the switch housing, keeping screws and springs in a tray so they don't go missing. Make a quick photo and label each wire or terminal so you remember which goes where. This saves time and prevents errors later. Now you're positioned to inspect the internal components and trace the fault without guesswork. Next, examine contacts and wiring to find the failure. Look for burned metal, loose screws, frayed insulation, or cracked plastic. If the switch actuator is damaged, replace it with a matching rating. If wires pulled loose, strip, tin, and solder them, then cover exposed joints with heat shrink tubing. Make sure to use the same gauge-stranded wire and a switch rated for the same current. Once repaired, check continuity and switch operation with a multimeter to ensure the repair fixed the issue. To finish, reseat components exactly as photographed, close the housing, and tighten screws evenly so the enclosure sits flush. Avoid stripping threads. Plug in a low-load device first, watch for sparks or heat, then step up to normal load while monitoring the switch and cord for warmth. If you notice intermittent contact, arcing, or persistent heat, stop using the cord and replace the whole assembly rather than risk fire. A final tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.